The reason you want a will is you want to leave your property to someone or some persons other than what the Minnesota will is. The Minnesota will is the intestate statute, intestate succession statute. And what that is that says that when you die, if you don't have a will, these people, a variety of different people, get your property. If you don't want that, for example, if you want to leave all your property to the Humane Society, then you need a will. If you don't want to leave property to one child that you're mad at, or your sister or your brother, then you need a will. You would come in to have a trust done if you want to put assets into a trust that pass on your death and nobody ever really knows about it. Meaning, I have a bank account or whatever. I have something that I've got money that I put into a trust, the ABC trust. If I just had that in a bank account, I would have to, and I don't have anybody else's name on that bank account, one would have to go through probate to pass that bank account. Whereas if I put it into a trust and I say when I'm dead, ABC person or entity gets it, it's just completely private. In Minnesota, living wills are called healthcare directives, and what it is a document that says, if I am unable to speak for myself, Mary, Joe, Susan, whomever is empowered to speak for me. Mary, Joe, or Susan becomes your healthcare agent. So your agent is able to agree to or deny medical treatment, place you in the hospital, take you out, things such as that. The other thing the healthcare directive does is it says if there is a need for a guardianship or a conservatorship for me, I would like Mary, Joe, or Susan to be the guardians. So it speaks to the court if they are going to be appointing guardians as well. Powers of attorney apply when you are living. The reason you would have one is, again, if I'm unable to speak for myself. You still own property, you still probably want to sell your house, you still probably have checks coming in that need to be signed. It allows another person to step into your shoes legally and manage, sell, or obtain your property.